Hi guys, I'm going to show you my immune boosting shots. You just need to make one of these little glasses for each day of the week, so 7.
So all we need is turmeric, ginger, garlic, cayenne pepper, honey and limes.
Now I will show you how to prepare for you to use for the whole week.
You will add all dry ingredients in those little glasses containers. I am using those little gems containers.
Take one daily to boost your immune and stay healthy.
Squeeze the lemon into your cup. Add your dry mix, honey and water. Mix and drink it.